Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today, going on with my theme of cloud painting. I'm going to do another cloud paint today with a few different colors. I mixed up some different colors today, and I will list everything down below as normally I would put it at the end, but I'm going to list it down below today. And I still have some green of this, what is this, green milk base. So put some of that down first. Because as you know, green is my favorite color. Okay. Watch that. Bring that out to the edges a little bit. Okay. And now I have my white here. I'm just going to put a little white right in the middle. Okay. Now I love using my little cup, and that's exactly what I'm going to do again. And I'm going to layer. And I have today's colors. It's Liquitex Muted Violet, Soft Body. And I have a Liquitex Soft Body Red Orange. And I have this little piggy cinnamon. Okay. So I'm going to start out with those three colors. And let's put a little bit of this, whoops, white cloud in. And let's put some orange. Put some of that, this little piggy in there. And get some of that muted violet in. Orange. With some of that violet. A little of that green. Okay, and let's see. I have a full little cup here. And this is little, that's for sure. Okay, and here we go. We'll do that straight in. Oh, I'm sorry, I realize when I do this, you are not getting to see my pour. And I'm gonna have to find a different angle when I do this the next time. I am so sorry. Okay. happy with this. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying these cloud pours a lot. I hope you are too. So please take the time. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Come back tomorrow. We'll definitely have another pour. Probably another cloud pour, because I'm really enjoying this. It's art by Donna. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe out there. Thank you for coming. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now.